Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay on Amazon, right? It's very easy. So you have to just go to Google and you have to type Afterpay. And yeah, there is a no direct way. I don't want to waste your time. So there is a no direct way you can buy Amazon product by through Afterpay payment option. But I will show you there is another option, indirect option. So if I just go to Afterpay and if I search here, Amazon here, let me just type, right? I will just get this product option, but there you can see there is a no option of Amazon. Neither you will see a that is sold by Amazon, right? But if I just go to a new tab here, and here I type Afterpay Amazon, right? And if I just hit the enter, I will able to buy this gift card. So this is an indirect way, guys. You can just buy this gift card through Afterpay, and you can use this gift card to purchase a product over Amazon, right? So here you can choose, you can read it here that how this works. It's very easy. You have to buy this gift card. You can scan this QR code and you can pay with Afterpay. And once you get the gift card, which you will get instantly, and you can use that gift card to go to Amazon website and purchase whatever product you want it, right? So in this way you can use Afterpay with Amazon. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.